I have never touched the taste of literature. Likewise, that so many different countries, writers from the different countries who write in such a manner that is totally untouched and from me. But in your class, I have tasted all the things.
Sir, I would say that I asked you to join the class after a gap of, I think, 1.5 year. And at that time, I became totally blank. Like many of people say to me that you have cleared UGC net and you know so many things. But honestly, I'm saying that many of the things are wiped out from my mind. And when I joined your class in the starting, I was totally blank. And in the starting few classes, I was not able to answer anything. I was just able to recall that, yes, I know this one, I know this one, but I was not able to recall any of the answer. But now you can see the improvement. I can say that, yes, I am improving, and that is a positive thing for me. It is a sign of improvement, and it is a sign of positive vibration also, you can say. And the more I improve, the more I feel energetic to read more and more, to study more and more. And I have a target in my mind. It's I have to complete 4 lectures, 5 lectures. And I can say that when I listen to your lecture, I never get bored. I have gone through the classes of all the what can I say, giant people who just claim that yes, we are the people. I have cleared 15 time net and JR, when you know very well to whom I'm referring here right now. So actually, I have gone through their lecture also, but I have seen one thing, that in lecture of 1 hour, they just talk about themselves, they appreciate themselves, but it is not with you. You actually just motivate us from all the perspective. If I talk about the study, I think that all of us should go through your PDFs and your lectures. I know very well that many of us have not gone through all the lectures, because see, like for 2 days you have said to us, all of us, just check. And today also I found that I missed some of the lectures, so you also know that. But yes, sir, I think like this is my suggestion to all the people, as there are so many examination for PhD, for net, for JRF, for I can say PSC examination also. And if somebody goes through your lecture, your PDF, your revision classes, then I know that he or she will be able to clear all the examination. And one more thing, sir, we all will feel so much confident also, because due to lack of knowledge only we feel very low. But the time we are aware about all the concept, then we will be very confident. Because sir, one more thing is there, that you have not just gone through the surface only, you have just told us about the particular thing from the deeper level. Like if you are talking about the French Revolution, then you are talking about all the things. You are not just telling us that this happened in 1789 and William Wordsworth was influenced by it. You have just gone through all the things. It is the same with Paradise Lost and everything, I can say. And sir, yes, I am following everything that you are saying to all of us. And I think all of us should go, because I know Amruta ma'am is very well. Like I'm highly motivated by her. I'm highly motivated by Tanmay sir and Sumana ma'am, and everybody is so much positive, I can say. Like I feel a friendly like of atmosphere, and it is full of knowledge, full of positive vibration for each and everyone. So thank you so much, sir, for guiding us.
Evening, sir, and good evening, everyone, my fellow comrades who have helped me, to get back the spirit of learning. If the spirit is missing, one cannot study. And I have imbibed this spirit from Sir himself, because he has motivated us endless times. He has told us our stories when he used to manage his job, and he used to, compromise his night sleep in order to make notes and study. And truly he's a survivor, he's a warrior, and we know that he was so committed to our studies and to our education, that he had that, he was in high life state to beat this deadly illness of corona. And he got back to his original life state and began teaching us. So that is commendable, and this is the spirit that we must imbibe. of course the end result matters, that whether or not we are going to pass the exam, but the journey is above all. And the other thing which I would like to mention is that when in the classes sir asks us to prepare for some topic, then of course I go through the notes which are there in the book, and sometimes I also browse through the internet to find out whether the notes are available or not. But the striking and thing is that you will find many authors, many of their content is missing from internet. And again, sir has done a great job in compiling this book, because it's a I think it's a treasure trove, because many of the things in the internet and other sources are missing, and whatever is there in the book is mostly authentic. And the bonus part is, when you join the class, wherever you find difficulty, you clarify it from sir himself. So he's the guide post for all of us. And for the upcoming revision classes, yes, I'm looking forward to the classes. And yes, these classes are really interesting, and we analyze and assess that where we need to improve. So yes, sir, this much is.
Okay, thank
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Very good
Sir,
evening.
I wish I could have joined in the beginning of the session. That would be the only thing that I would like to say. And as you also know, I just joined for the literary criticism and cultural study, but because of the way the class happened, I was motivated, and I thought that if I am able to do literary criticism in this 15 days, then I will be able to complete my NET exam as well. And that's how I enrolled in it. And even now I'm facing some difficulties, since I'm doing it only for the past 1 to 1.5 months, to be very precise. But I feel that still I can do it, and the exam has been also postponed. So that is a golden opportunity to utilize this time in the right manner and then complete it successfully. That's what I feel. And for the revision plan, what I feel is, if it is possible, we should have more number of revisions as much as possible, because even after I remember preparing literary criticism very well, and then even you appreciated in one of the classes when they'd done ancient literature. But now, if anything is asked, I'm not able to recollect. I just try to check myself whether I'm able to recollect. There are some confusions happening every now and then, so I feel that more number of revisions will be helpful for us to clear the exam. And we should actually have a tag if we are in Prem sir's class. We will be able to clear if we are following sir's instructions and words. Without that, nothing can be done. But we are trying to follow, but at the same time, I'd like to say that we should do it in a more rigid manner and in a very well structured manner. That's what I feel.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, all. So I feel so sorry about me that even I have joined very late to the class, not very much late, but after joining the class, that before I was so blank about what is net and how to prepare. I was not having a base plan like anything. So then I was not even aware of what are the portions, like complete vast portions on that. So this platform gave me a much idea on this net exams. So it was like pushing me to do something new, to learn something, particularly to learn something. So that is a part that even I liked it very much, sir. So one thing is, even as you as putting much effort on this part, so even from us regularly we have to like at first we have to put the more effort. So as you are putting the same effort with us, so that is even inspiring to do more study on this net exams and all exams.
Sir, I'm very thankful and grateful to you for everything. I remember I have gone through the whole circle of our classes, because I was there in the previous feedback session also of the first batch. And so I know from this beginning I have been there. Sir, as I said, I'm thankful and grateful to you for providing us a platform that sitting at our own state we can learn things. Because I remember when I wanted to do net, I was not able to, because here I could not find anyone who can help me out. And reading the book, which is a very huge one, gives me anxiety that whether I'm going to the right path or not. So I'm very thankful to you, and I'm even thankful to Facebook that I found you there. So that way I've completed the full circle. Sir, also to say about you, sir, all the students who have learned from you give you a lot of blessings. I think that blessings have brought you here. You are hale and hearty, sir, and that's a big thing, because when a student gives you blessings, that's the biggest achievement of a teacher. Also, you have always been a learner, sir. That makes you humble also, and that makes your students also humble. So even if we take the pride, or even if we become egoistical, we can't, because our teacher is not. So that's the best part. Also, uh, a suggestion, if I have to give from my side to other net scholars, I'm not a person who has given a lot of net exam, but there's one thing that I know, that you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent in whatever you do. Every day you need to do, even if it is for 1 hour or 2 hours, make it consistently, you do it. And if you consistently do it, you will definitely reach to the place you want to. Also, when I was doing my I was also at the first part of my studies in net, I used to feel that I don't know most of the questions, and I used to feel so anxious that I don't know. But now when I go through the same thing again and again, I feel very confident. So if someone is feeling that, sir, I'm not able to study, don't worry. Even I also went through that. Now again, when you will go through that, you will feel more confident. So it is not a piece of cake. You have to go through it again and again. Also, trust yourself. Have a confidence in yourself that you can do it. If you have a trust in yourself, you will definitely be able to do it. I won't say that. See, I don't know whether we'll crack the exam or whether we'll be able to get through the paper. I don't know, but trust yourself. You will definitely be able to do some wonders. Somewhere or the other, you will be able to answer some of the questions, and that is actually, it is also the result of your hard work. You have studied something.
I'm so very happy that I joined your class. First, I should say that um, the thing was, to be frank, I admit that I've been studying for a long number of years. Till now, I'm studying, and I didn't have a steady focus. That was my major issue, actually, with personal things, ups and downs. So it was really, really tough for me to get into a right platform. And I really thank God for finding you in the right time, I can say. So it's high time I joined, and the thing was, I didn't know anything about you personally, but only after getting the book and reading the intro part of the book, I felt very amazed. The thing was, for years together, not just 1 or 2 days studying this and that, the labor that you have put in to create this book, I was really astonished. Actually, that is the major thing that really attracted. The thing that was most amazing was this part. When I read that, how long, these many number of months and years you have been with literature, the from the basics till the criticism part, the cultural studies, everything you have collected till the world literature. So the as the book said, world literature in fist. So that was a perfect title for the book, actually. So I couldn't imagine the labor that you have put in, days together, months together, and years together, and to bring in such a book. I really have to thank on behalf of all the students, literary students, maybe from every platform possible. So you were so inspiring in that way. So as Suji said, the consistency part. So I really have to imbibe that from you, that focus, that consistency that has come a little to me, I can say, because I was not such focused in my studies. Because now at least for 1 or 2 hours I'm studying, and then now it has enhanced to 3 to 4 hours, and now I'm trying to push it. So those inspiration actually has come from you and from Namit sir. So from the bottom of my heart, I should thank you both for that. As Pradeepa said, all silly questions that we ask, even the basic max, the thing that I'm totally lost in max actually. So even the basic formula, I keep questioning very silly certain times. So Namit sir just is very, very patient enough to explain each and everything. I should thank him very much for that. And for the continuous contribution, the time and energy that you both are pouring in for us, for the well-being. It is not just about the payment. It is more than that. It's the hearty love that you both have for teaching. So it is the great contribution of a person just from one person to another person as a teacher is actually the contribution to the nation and to the world. So I can say you are contributing to the nation in a way. It is not just about one or two as a student. It is upgrading students' life. So enhancing and uplifting one's life, you are actually contributing to the welfare of the world actually. So I can say just hats off to both of you. And Prem sir, please be supportive and please be guiding us in all the ways possible for handling all this part of what to say, the total thing, world literature. And Namit sir, please be supportive in all the case for paper one and all my silly doubts, and to be very, very patient. You handled me in a very gentle way. So I thank you all and thank all my friends here. You've been supportive of one another in all the ways possible. So I hope our revision part also goes very well as planned. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon.
And I'm very glad to be here as a part of intellectual, young, energetic, like Prem Singh Pandey sir, and young like Namit sir, intellectual group. Really, I'm very happy, sir. And I would like to tell you only 3 things, sir. I joined after 35 or the 36th class. Almost 35 British literature classes are completed. And after that, I used to follow the 3 techniques. Actually, the very beginning, pre-reading before the class, sir sent PDF. If tomorrow is the class, before that the class, sir sent the PDF and video, or not video, PDF classes. I have gone through the PDF before the class. It was worked as a pre-reading for the lecture while listening, that the previous knowledge which will very helpful for me to understand the class. And after the class, immediately the recorded video has been sent to all the candidates, and that will be very, very useful for all the candidates for the revision, followed by some important questions. So that I followed up to 90 classes. And after that, the classwork, and I used to work in engineering college as associate professor in engineering college for the last 10, 15 years. And I had to qualify it. So with the NAC work. So I was not able to spend much time. For the last 1 month, I have been spending and even able to write all the notes, the important questions are once are also I said it to sir. And sir suggested me not to write, but I feel when I write, it is very comfortable, and also the things have been recorded in my mind. All the classes from 76 to till now, I have been recording in my notebook all the important questions. Assignment after giving that the PDF, all the questions I have been writing. This is the strategy I am following, and I think it will be useful for you all. And most of you people have been following the same. And this is really my suggestion to you all. It is an excellent platform for the UGC aspirants for the future. So really, if I might have met you 10 years back, because I'm aged, I'm senior most among all the students, all the great scholars, I don't mind. And I am the junior in the subject because of I left my subject long back. My teaching experience is more than 18. So my suggestion is really those who are going to qualify to write for these aspirants of the UGC NET is very, very useful. And please kindly go through these videos. And after completion of the video, go through the PDF, followed by some IMP questions, important questions. You please better note down and better make your notes. I use it to prepare notes also. Notes will help you a lot for the exam point of view. And the next point is the listen, read, revise. These three topics, just simply three techniques: listen video, read the PDF, and revise the important questions or MCQs from YouTube or somewhere else, whatever the material we are available. So these three things will definitely help you. I got a lot of confidence, sir, not 100% because of the British literature, the pending 35, and meanwhile when I wasn't busy, I have some of the pending works. I have almost 50 classes to be finished.
I convey my gratitude to my Guru Prem Shankar Pandey sir. He discussed each and every topic very lucid manner, especially mentions about literary criticism and theory. Lecture about criticism and literary theory are awesome and fantastic. I personally have many confusion about literary theory and criticism, but with the help of sir, sir lectures all are clear to me. Lectures are very lucid and sir uses very colloquial and day-to-day life examples to explain the theory. Sir gives the summary of books which are important in the net point of view are fantastic. Summary are discussed in a good manner which helps us to recall in the examinations, and sir's PDFs are very lucid and simple language to understand the fact of literature. Sir lectures clearly give me the consequence of British history and political juncture of the period. I also mentions the questions answers at the end of every class of previous examination of NET and SET gave me what should read and recall to crack the NET examinations. I also request to sir the PDF of questions of each class have very useful to crack the examination. So if sir you send the questions of PDF which I want to print, so I revise all the questions at a glance. This also helps much more effectively. I am very happy to learn under your guidance that is very joyful and easy understand to each and every aspects of literature. So I thank you very much and convey my gratitude to you, and I will be loyal for my lifetime. Thank you, sir.